general and specific purposes. Organize the speech in a manner that best achieves those purposes. Ensure the beginning, body, and conclusion reinforce the purposes. Projects sensitivity and convention and control any nervousness you may feel. Try not to use notes. Time 5 to 7 minutes.
Mr. Velu sir, I have a PPT.
First, Sangamitra, invite the speaker. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Let us invite Gavilier Sachit for our third speech.
Yes, Sachit, come. I will give you the option for you. Sachit, where are you?
I'm here.
Yeah, now I will give you the. Yes, it's already screen share.
Okay. Can you see my screen, Mr. Velu?
Yes, go ahead.
Hi dear Gaviliers. Today we are going to wander through the rainforest. Contents I am going to use in my speech. What is the rainforest? What is the importance of the rainforest? What are the layers of the rainforest? Do people live in the rainforest? What are the animals living in the 4 layers of the rainforest? Fun facts about the rainforest. So first, let's go into what is the rainforest. Rainforests are essential to life on earth. Not only do they provide air, water, medicine, food and shelter to a multi-attitude of living beings, they are also one of our best natural defenses against climate change because of their capacity to absorb greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Next, let's go into what is the importance of the rainforest. By absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen that we depend on for our survival, the absorption of the CO2 also helps to stabilize the Earth's climate. Rainforests also help to maintain the world's water cycle by adding water to the atmosphere through the process of transpiration, which creates clouds. Next, let's go into the most easiest part in the learning part in the rainforest. Most rainforests are structured in 4 layers that are emergent, canopy, understory and forest floor. Each layer has a unique characteristics based on differing levels of water, sunlight and air circulation. So let's find out about the emergent layer. The emergent layer has high treetops that rise above everything else. Above the canopy, this layer gets the most sunlight and the most rain and is much windier. The tallest trees can reach heights of up to 230 feet, that equals to 70 meters. The treetops are home to eagles, vultures, bats, monkeys and butterflies. Next, let's go into the canopy layer. The canopy is made up of thick branches and leaves of taller trees. The layer is sunny and wet with refreshing breezes, but is more sheltered than the emergent layer above. More wildlife lives in this layer than any other. After that, let's explore the understory layer. The understory is warm, damp and sheltered layer. Below the canopy, leafy bushes, shade-loving plants and short trees provide cover for sloths, jaguars and small animals such as frogs. After all, let's explore the forest floor. The forest floor is the darkest and dampest layer. Dead leaves fallen from the layer above cover the ground and are fed upon fungi. Many millions of insects live among the dead leaves, providing food for insect-eating animals. What are the animals living in the 4 layers of the rainforest? In the first layer, that is the emergent layer, the most famous animals living there are the scarlet macaws and the harpy eagle. In the second layer, that is the canopy layer, the most famous animals are the toco toucan and the two-toed sloth. In the understory layer, the most famous animals that live there are the sparkling violet ear and the greater bulldog bat. In the forest floor, the most famous animals that live there are the giant anteater and the Hercules beetle. Do people live in the rainforest? Tropical rainforests are home to tribal people who rely on their surroundings for food, shelter, and medicines. Today, very few forest people live in the traditional ways. Most have been displaced by outside shelters or have been forced to give up their lifestyles by governments. Fun facts about the rainforest. The rainforest holds more than 2/3 of the world's plant species. Many of the foods we love come from the rainforest. That includes chocolate, pineapple, and cinnamon. All come from the rainforest. Rubber and medicines also come from the rainforest. Rainforests have a canopy of dense branches and leaves. Most of the rainforest animals and plants live in the canopy. Not much light reaches the rainforest floor. In fact, the ground is often bare. The soil here is often hard and lacking in nutrients. Fun fact. About 30 million species of plants and animals live in the rainforest. More fun facts about the rainforest. Rainforests are a powerful natural climate solution. Tropical rainforests have become a net carbon emitter. Tropical rainforests cover less than 3% of the Earth's area, yet they are home to more than half of our planet's terrestrial animal species. Thank you. I hope you all know all about the basics of the rainforest. Now, we have traveled a lot about the rainforest. Thank you.